Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, everybody. So we need to find what must be the moment of inertia of the turntable. Okay. So we have inertia is going to equal 2k over the velocity here. So it's going to be 2 over 0.250 joules over 45. And we're going to get a minute over here, revolution per minute, times minute here divided by 60 seconds times 2 pi radians times rev squared. And this whole thing, we will get 0.023 kilograms per meter squared. Okay, and now for B is asking us same thing with inertia, but wants to know what must be the mass here. So we have inertia equals 1/2 mass r squared. So we need the mass. So we take the mass equals 2I, the inertia divided by r squared here. And well, furthermore, we have an I, and the radius can actually be diameter divided by 2 squared. Okay. And what this equals is 8 inertia divided by diameter squared. Okay. And now we can just simply plug and chug. So we got 0.023 kilograms meters squared divided by 60 centimeters times 10 to the negative 2 meters, because we need to convert that to meters. So we can just take that out. Squared equals 0.51 kilograms. Okay, guys, thank you.